Are you wondering how to update apps on Play Store? How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Guiding Studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can update all your Android apps on Play Store. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so now to update your Android apps on Play Store, simply go ahead and open up the Play Store from your device. And from the Play Store homepage, go ahead and tap on this profile icon at the top right. Now, once you have tapped on this one, you just need to tap on Manage Apps and Devices. You just need to tap on this one, and he'll get to see the updates available. If you tap on this one, and he'll get to see all the apps where the updates are available. So he'll get to see all these apps are update required. So you can actually tap on Update All in order to update all these apps at once. In order to update all these apps at once, but if you want to individually update, you can tap on this update button in order to update your apps right from here. And let's say I'm gonna tap on cancel, and I'm gonna update all. And this will take a little time, and after that your apps will be updated right on your Android phone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.